In this video, we'll do pop art in Canva. First, click on video, then YouTube video, new page opens up. Click on uploads. Select an image. Set image as background. Click on edit. Click on adjust. Increase its saturation. And clarity to 100. Click on apps. In search box, search for screen. Click on this app. Click on halftone. Now reduce halftone amount to like this, 0.15. Increase halftone scale. Like I will increase to 2. Click on save button. Now right click, detach image from background. Select this image. Click on edit. Click on BG remover. It will remove its background. Click on elements. In search box, search for retro background. Click on photos. Select like this one. Set image as background. Resize this image like this. And that's all. It's done. I hope you like this video. For more videos, kindly subscribe our channel. Kindly like and click on bell icon to get notification of new interesting videos. Thank you.